Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma. In this video, I will explain about Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. This rule deals with the filling of electrons into the orbitals belonging to the same subshell. That is orbitals of equal energy, that is called degenerate orbitals. According to this rule, pairing of electrons in the orbitals belonging to the same subshell, that is p, d or f, does not take place until each orbital belonging to that subshell has got one electron each, that is it is singly occupied. Since there are 3p, 5d and 7f orbitals, therefore the pairing of electrons will start in the p, d and f orbitals with the entry of 4th, 6th and 8th electron respectively. It has been observed that half-filled and fully filled degenerate set of orbitals acquire extra stability due to their symmetry. So the half-filled and fully filled degenerate set of orbitals acquire extra stability due to their symmetry. Orbitals of equal energy, that is called degenerate orbitals. So this is about Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. So in this example of carbon electronic configuration, you can see that as the atomic number of carbon is 6, so there are 6 electrons in the carbon atom. So these electrons are filled in this fashion. In the first two options are right, because you can see that 1s and 2s orbitals are completely occupied. That means in 1s orbital 2 electrons are present, that is in oppositely directed. In the 2s orbitals there are also 2 electrons, they are oppositely directed, that is common in all the 4 options. But in the first option you can see that in the 2p orbital 2 electrons are there and they are present in the different shells, and that means different orbits like px and py, and they are having the same direction but they are in the opposite orbits. So this is correct. In the second option, that is also correct, because they are also in the same direction but in the opposite different orbits. But in case of the 2p orbital, you can see that they are in opposite direction, and in the two different orbits, like in the px and py, there are 2 different orbits but they are in opposite direction. So this is wrong, they should be in the same direction. In the fourth one is also wrong, because the pairing occurs that is opposite to does not follow the Pauli's exclusion principle. So that's why these last 2 options are incorrect and the first 2 options are correct. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. If you have any questions, please contact to me. Thank you very much.